Hi, on this demo, so we will now create the report PDF. So we are going to be sending or exporting the PDF. I mean, exporting the report to a PDF and send it via email. So previously, you have created a guerrilla email, right? So that we could basically utilize and test, right, to be able to send that email, right? So on the steps here, so previously we have configured the scope, right, from global, right, that we have configured the outbound configuration. So let's just have a recap. So let's go back and you will see here or go to history and you will have email properties, right? So now I have removed my personal email, right? You can see it is disabled because we have went through the application scope of Need IT. Now let's go back and go to the report itself on the history. So by going to the report and needs request by type, as you can see there, let's now go back. And from there, right, so you can navigate to this arrow here for sharing. So from there, you could go to export to PDF and send us email, right? So the email address here that you're going to put in, right, will be coming from the Guerrilla email, right? So as we scroll up, right, so we have preset this particular email address, right? As you can see, as we click set, so you basically say taking a note, right? So as we go to the two tips of this email. So if you go back, this is your inbox, and as we click in, so it will say here what is the provided email address. So although we have asked it for to give us the guerrillamail.com, so it has still provided a different email address on a different domain, right? So let us test this one, right? So by copying that, so so depending on your instance, so in the PDI it may not work because this is a different domain, right? So because ServiceNow has blocked the outbound emails, right? So let's just copy this one. So I'll show you how it should work. And so by coming here, I'll just paste it under the email address, send us email, and this should come out as an attachment. So let's do an export, right? So it has provided an alert that it has been sent to that particular email address. So there's quite a few ways also in testing or checking from the instance that it has gone out, right? So by typing outbound system mailboxes, then outbox, so let's see. So it has already gone out, right? So let's do that again and go to sent, right? So you should have, right, a history here. So I've done quite a few tests already previously prior to this recording. And as we navigate, so make sure that the gear icon, we click that and let's see if there's like a status there and have a look. Status. So processed. And let's see if there's a date and time here. Updated or created. Let's have a look. Created by, let's add that there. So you'll have timestamps, right? And see how the email is basically behaving. Let's have a look, right? So you'll see here that the different time and updated by, right? So as we go back to the Guerrilla tab and go to the inbox, right? So you can see here that it has been sent successfully, right? So as you come here, right? So you'll see here that there's a link. As you click this, let's see, it should download. So it has downloaded successfully. Now, if you go back to the ServiceNow instance, right? So let's navigate to the correct one and click this particular link. and it should give us details, right? And you can see here that this is the report on the top left, sent successfully. And as we scroll down, there's an attachment included. So what we're trying to say here is as you navigate back, right? If in your instance in PDI it did not send, then it should be stuck on your outbox, right? So depending on how your PDI is behaving, right? And it should be either on the outbox. If it's been sent successfully, it will be on your sent items. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.